Boom, one photo, that's it. Watch that whole ad? Made from that one picture. No camera, no model, no studio. And wait till you hear it talk in French later. It genuinely broke my brain. If you sell stuff online or make content, do not skip this one. By the end, you're going to want to try it yourself. Let's go. Okay, so this AI tool is called Wizstar. It's an all-in-one AI content platform built for e-commerce sellers, marketers, and creators like us. People who don't want to spend hours editing, and what your audience actually cares about. Then it builds scenes, syncs lips, and translates videos into other languages. So you don't have to switch between different platforms. Wizstar brings the entire workflow together in one place. Basically, your product photo goes in, a finished, ready-to-post video comes out, and you didn't have to touch a single editing app. Whenever I'm launching a new product, the first thing I do is upload my product image into Wizstar's AI image generator. Then I simply describe the kind of visuals I want, like a premium product showcase, a lifestyle scene, or a clean white background listing image. I can also swap backgrounds, change the environment, add an AI model, or even adjust the model's pose, all while keeping my product looking exactly the same. In just a few seconds, Wizstar generates a complete set of professional marketing assets that are ready for Amazon listings, TikTok Shop, my online store, or social media campaigns. And because everything starts from the same product image, the product shape, colors, and design details stay remarkably consistent across every version. The best part is, I don't have to stop there. Now that my product visuals are ready, turning them into a marketing video only takes another click. I simply select one of the images I just generated, describe the scene I want like floating fruit, premium commercial lighting, and smooth cinematic camera movement, and let Wizstar do the rest. The more specific your prompt is, the more control you have over the final look and feel of the video. A few moments later, Wizstar transforms that single image into a polished product advertisement. With dynamic motion, professional lighting, and cinematic camera angles. What really impressed me is that even with all the movement, the product stays consistently. The logo, colors, and packaging remain sharp and recognizable throughout the entire video. Wizstar also just launched Reference to Video, powered by the latest Seedance 2.5 model, which helps generate videos that better match your prompts and creative ideas with fewer retries. The next step is creating a spokesperson-style ad. Instead of hiring an influencer or recording it myself, I can generate an AI character. Type in my product message, choose a voice, and let Wizstar handle lip sync automatically. What impressed me is how natural the character looks. The facial expressions stay realistic, the mouth movements match the audio accurately, and even different angles like side views or dynamic shots still look smooth and consistent.
Just a refreshing break during the day. If you love fruity and refreshing drinks, you definitely need to try this one.
It can also handle more complex scenes without losing realism, so the character feels much closer to a real spokesperson. Whether you're creating product demos, social media content, or training videos, you can quickly turn your message into a professional talking head style video. Then I took it one step further, translated the whole thing into French, lip sync included. Wizstar supports translation across 75 major languages, making it easy to adapt the same product video for different markets without recording new versions. And not gonna lie, hearing myself speak fluent French from a video I recorded in English caught me off guard. Mouth movement matched. Everything sounded natural, not robotic at all. This alone is huge if you're trying to reach different markets without hiring a translator or reshooting a single clip. It just handles it for you.
J'ai juste trouvé mon nouveau préféré d'été. Ce jus d'orange est super frais, avec un goût délicieux et une petite effervescence qui vous réveille tout.
So yeah, that's Wizstar. One photo turns into a fully finished video. One script turns into multiple ad variations. And one video can speak any language you want. All while your product and characters stay perfectly consistent throughout. If you run a store or make ads for clients, this is worth trying. And right now, first-time subscribers can save 50% for a limited time. You can also try the latest Seedance 2.5 model starting at just 99 cents. Start creating right away. Drop a comment and tell me which feature you'd try first. I read everyone. And if this helped, smash subscribe. I post AI tool breakdowns all the time. Catch you next time.